Hello. Anyways, I got my first. It's okay, that happens. I got my first. You know? Okay, so I'm gonna try this today and see if it actually works. The first time I'm opening it. Okay, ready? Oh. Okay, slay. Okay, slay. Okay, dental slay. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but my teeth are very yellow. Like, okay, maybe not. I don't know, but like, let's see if it works, you know? Is this how influencers do that? Like, this is giving teeth, like, you know? And apparently it says you need to do it for 7 days consecutively. Yeah, 7 to 10 days. So I'll probably start a series or whatever, you know? Show the progress. So apparently I need to charge it first. So let me charge it and come back, okay? Okay, I'm kind of scared, but let's see. Hmm? 10-minute done. Here's a reveal. Like, I don't know, to me, like, they look pretty white to me. I keep flashing my teeth. Like, this was the same pen I used. I don't know, looks pretty white to me. See you in 7 days.